All right, Darius here with DFDM National. Today I'm going to walk you through the process of removing the anti-theft license plates. A little bit more complicated than our standard. You'll need a drill. I usually use either a 3/8 inch or a 1/2 inch drill bit. This is specifically made for going through stainless steel. Make sure you're not using wood or masonry bits. I also have a pair of pliers. I may not necessarily need them, but I have them just in case. And then of course, you'll need the screwdriver to unscrew the bolts. So we have 3 tools here: drill bit. Metal drill bit is 3/8 inch or a 1/2 inch bit, pair of pliers, and a screwdriver. So the first step of what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna drill a hole through the caps. You can try to mess with it with magnets. You can try to use wrenches. You can do these things. I have found at our shop the fastest way to take it off, literally taking metal drill bits. You drill a hole right through the center. Within 20-30 seconds, you've punctured the material, and then it either comes off with the drill bit or you can use the pliers and pull the cap out. Once you remove the cap, you're gonna switch to the screwdriver. You're gonna unscrew the bolts from the vehicle, and just like the standard style, everything's gonna come off as one unit, and you've now successfully uninstalled the product. One thing I will point out here is we do warranty our anti-theft caps. So if you do need to remove them to replace your plate for any reason, put it on a new car, give us an email, info@DFDM National. That's info@dfdmnational.com, or give us a call, 813-990-0777. And we'll get you out replacements for free under our warranty. Okay, thank you.